Everybody, and welcome one more time to my channel, Crypto B. And you, my friends, you are on my crypto channel. If it's your first time here, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, become part of the family. We do have some pullback here on Bitcoins and some altcoins as well. And we can also have a look after on some charts, because as you can see here on the side, everything is a little bit red, which is a healthy pullback. So Dogecoin, Cardano, XRP see profit taking. Guys, this is something that's very important, and people sometimes, this is my second bull cycle. Okay, this is my second bull market. And one thing that I have learned from the first cycle that I got in on the run of the top to learn everything, so I lost a lot of money there. Didn't understand so much, but now one thing that if I could give anybody an advice, again, not financial advice, but if I could give you an advice, would be take profit on the way up and go back in to buy some on the pullbacks if you want, but never feel sorry for you taking profit. Take profits, smell the money, take out of the ATM, put in your wallet, buy something. I mean, don't feel sorry for you to take profits, okay? So BNB crossed $800 as economists see lower chance of July rate cut. So the US Reserve remain under intense political pressure ahead of its July 30 meeting with President Trump and some of his appointees openly calling for rate cuts despite stick inflation. So what you know, the crypto market total capitalization remains just below 4 trillion. Let's have a look. If we go here, yeah, it's at 3.92 despite strong institution demand and positive equity sentiment. Bitcoin and Ether have slowed in their recent rallies, with a technical factor dominating the market agenda. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index is near extreme greed, but new catalyst is needed to push it higher. The crypto market is once again knocking on the 4 trillion door, but just can't seem to walk through it. I think we already reached there a little bit and went back. So there is in this CoinDesk article here, they also talk a little bit about the coin. So Bitcoins trade within a tight 117 to 119 range during the past 24 hours before hovering around 118,500 in early US hours. While the world's largest crypto is still up 0.5% over the past week, the pace of its advance has slowed, with funding rates softening and volumes drifting lower across CME and Coinbase. Ether, which surged 22% last week, has also started to lose steam. ETH price hovered around 3,670 at the time of writing this article, as staking flow and ETFs demand flattened following a freezing 5-day push. BNB broke the 800 mark early. Meanwhile, the altcoins rally appears to have stalled. Solana is up 18.2% over the past 7 days, but down 1.3% in the last 24 hours. Top performance in the last 7 days, Cardano, which jumped 14%, and XRP, that rose 17.1%, are now flattening. So I think there was a pullback, which we can go here to BTC chart. We can see here there is a pullback of, we go here, there is a pullback here of 6%, and now it's ruling here. I put here a parallel channel here so we can follow this. I don't believe Bitcoin will go below here, below the 116. I think it might hit here the uptrend line and then go back up again. But my target to Bitcoin at the moment, with the Fibonacci retrace line, with Fib retrace here, it's at 149. That would be my targets for, not for the long term, to be honest, not for the long term. If we do this run here, from 22nd of June into the 14th of July, it's a 25%. Let's see if we do the same run again from where we are now. We'll get closer. We'll get around 143, which is not bad at all. So let's put this here as well, just for there. So my target would be around there on the short term, hopefully before Q4 ends. Let's keep an eye on that as well. If we go to the BTC dominance, we can see here that there is a retrace here coming back up again. Believe we're gonna go back into this area over here. I think we might go back to this area over here. Let me change the color of this for yellow. I think we're gonna go around there. If we break here, and then potentially we could see something around, going back around here, which I don't think so. Let's see where this will take us in the next couple of weeks, days. But I believe we might retest on this pullback. We might retest here, might go up a little bit and then carry on down again. I believe we might go around this area over here of 57% on the BTC dominance. Okay, that's what I believe. But guys, if we're going to my, have we finished on this? July, yeah, we did. We finished that. Let's go back here. This is my Twitter account. If you don't follow me here, smash the follow button and go here. You guys can see some prediction that I left here of X's. Guys, what's happened to Pengu? Pengu is not just a hype, it's a real deal. This is running insane. Okay, real meme coins. I like last cycle we had DOGE and Shiba Inu. Okay, I'm starting to believe that Pengu, and I'll go far, Pengu, Bonk, okay, Pengu, Bonk, and where's the other one? Fartcoin. So if you are playing around meme coins, if you're holding them, I mean, don't chase the pump. But if you're playing around meme coins, I know people say Fartcoin, yeah, fart, ha 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 ha. This is BS. But don't close your eyes for those. I'm not saying for you to go there and invest, but to be honest, my only trade at the moment is Ondo. I'm not leverage trading any other coins. So I'm trading, as you can see here, I'm leverage trading Ondo. I'm 100% up, and I'm gonna run that until probably at the peak of the cycle. But so going back here, Fartcoins, Pengu, and Bonk, it might be the Pepe, Shiba, and Dogecoin for this side. And if that's happened, if we go here on my Twitter, I posted here. If Pengu have the market cap today of Doge, it's another 14x from where we are today. 14x. The question I leave here is that possible? Do you believe that Pengu can reach to that? Guys, I don't think why not. Look at this. If you follow me on my, something that's here, I just started to publish. I used to have my TikTok for a long time, but I never published much. And now I'm starting to publish again. But this, is it this one here? Yeah, this one. Okay, we got to talk about Pengu, the Penguin Power Token that is flipping the crypto game on its beak. This isn't just some meme coins. This is backed by one of the strongest communities in crypto, with over 5 million global followers, 1.2 million plus toys sold. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy because it's one of those is one of those utility projects, even though it's a meme coin, but if you go to the website, it's pretty cool. And I think they're doing a great job actually to onboard people to the space, to crypto. If you go to the website, is this one here. Look, 5 million global followers. Toys, they sold over 2 million toys. That's crazy, it's crazy. And one thing that I learned, I believe Pengu is become deflationary, if I'm not, nah, Pengu burned. So this is the amount in dollar of Pengu burns. So 13.69% of the total supply has been burned, if I'm not wrong. This is crazy. Pengu stats, Pengu holders on Abstract and Solana. You can stake Pengu now. So it's really cool. Really nice. Really nice. Guys, that's what I'm saying. I believe Pengu bonk. And the reason why I say bonk is because bonk have launched the launch pads. Let me check here. Bonk is great as well. I mean, it's very strong project that I think will do very well. So Bonk, it ends. They're all in Solana, which is absolutely great because Solana will potentially explode and will bring with it the top meme coins, right? Bonk is the social layer and community meme coin of Solana with deep integration as a utility token across a wide base of application and protocol within the Web3 ecosystem. As the true community coins of Web3, Bonk's utility comes in the form of its strong community and driven ecosystem of integration. So that would be my pick of meme coins on Solana. So Pengu, Bonk, and Fart coins. This is Fart coins. All right, tokenized Fart with the help. It's funny, but it's flying, guys. I don't know. It's a meme coin, right? It's meme coins. And so let's go to. I believe now this deep. Let's put 1 hour. There is a deep here. Oops. Let's bring here. If we're looking at, guys, these, look how are the charts. Let's clear the charts. Let me take out some of this so you can see better. Look where the zones are. Let me go here. This is all-time high, right? Let's put some resistance, support. Let's go here. When we break, I think most of coins are very similar here in breaking this resistance. And then there is one here. Let's from here to here. So we need to break that. So if we're gonna do, let's say this is AVAX. I'm just taking AVAX as an example, okay? We have this is towards the all-time high, and we're not talking about price discovery or anything. From the all the way the bottom here, which was $15 to now 24, we done 62%. Okay. Look, when we break this zone here, and this is for almost all the other coins as well, is 51%, 55%, and then we're gonna break. When we break that one, we need to another 23% to go to all-time. No, it's not. We would have to break that shoe, and then to go 41% to go to the all-time high. Remember that every time we are going up, we have a resistance, okay? Every single time. So if we go here now, let's say to the 1 hour charts, hour. Let's go here. But I'm gonna show another chart that explain that. And you see, we need to break this. We need to break through in order to be able to go. But of course, there's a pullback here. Although AVAX are very, very underrated at the moment. I believe when the gaming narrative starts, we're gonna be flying with AVAX as well. Okay, so let me go to Ondo, which is the chart, because I am leveraged trade on that, so I'm checking that a lot. So, okay, we are on the 1 hour chart, so let's put this up. Let me take out this here. Let's go here. So zoom in the chart here on the first break here. Look what we did. We broke this straight. We went all the way up to here. So we broke here. We went all the way up 16% here to $1.09. And then look what happened. We went back down all the way here. We went down again into this test zone. We test there, and then we start to go again, up again, touching the, remember, we want to break this, okay? We want to break that. We went down again, we start to going sideways, we test there again, we went down again, we went up, and then with the what was the catalyst? That's 21 shares, I think. Let me think, did I put that on my Twitter? Maybe I didn't put on Twitter, but I put somewhere, maybe it was on TikTok. I put on TikTok. Maybe I cannot see me here. Anyway, so there is here. Massive alert on is the next institutional darling. BlackRock didn't align with XRP and owned by accident. They see what's coming. 21 shares, ETF feeling, institutional floodgate about to open. So because of this, was a catalyst, of course, for us to explode here, right? And then, of course, a lot of people from in up to here, right? So we broke that. But then because the market is pulling back anyway, look what happened. We went down again, right? Okay, let me take all these things out. So, and then I'm gonna take that out, take this out, take this out. So I put a path here. So if we go to the 1 day here, so look what happened here. The same thing we did with AVAX there. So if we go here, all-time high, right? If we go there, all-time high, we need to break this resistance here, and then we are breaking this one here. So we should connect, so let's connect to this one there. Okay, I'm doing it in a macro way. When we break that small one there, and then the next one is to go up there and break that, because I was on the 1 hour chart to understand a little bit more. So as you can see here, we are going back up again, right? And if I want to know if you're going to stay on that uptrend line, let's say I go here, I'm going to get there, and I'm going to put this over here. Let's say it's going to keep it here. This is Ondo, by the way. So can you see that the line here? This line could be something like this now, because can you see that line, the uptrend line here? The candle, let's put it up. Okay, so there's a lot of strength on this candle here, on the 1 hour candle, on the red one, which selling so the bears were selling the price. But now we have not a strong, but we have a buyer. So if we put on the thirds here, put on the 15 minutes, can you see the big candle at 1 hour candle? This one gonna break down in many little candles. Can you see? So now that big candle now became very small candle, see? And this, that means bears doesn't have much strength, because what happened is a battle between bears and bulls. So here the bears are start to losing power, and when green start to come in the scene, that means the bull start to fight for that position. So what happened here? The bulls are winning. So now we need to wait and see this candle here, and this is on the 5 minutes, okay, if you're scalp trading, whatever. So but if we go back here, there, we need to see if this candle gonna close above this. If it doesn't, at some point we need to close above that in order to go. So for example here, so let's take this example here, which is long strong candle here for the bears. The bull candle got in, see, it opens at the same place where it closed the other one, 114, and then close below. So if we pull here, let me show here to you. So take this, yeah. So the candle close here, which is below where this one here opens, okay? But because we have strong momentum now for the bulls, it opens here, okay, and shoot up to the sky, confirming to us that we restart an uptrend again. So where do we get in? If you are buying or trading, whatever, check this last one here, and confirmation will be this one, and then you would ride all the way up here. And then what happened? The bears start to winning or break at least the bull momentum with small candles, okay? And then the bulls still want to fight, but then we break the momentum here. And this is sort of the confirmation that it will go, it's gonna go down. Now, let's see what's gonna happen here if we're gonna have a DOGE. I think this is called DOGE or something like that. I don't recall. If this is the same as this, that means we're still gonna be going down, which potentially we can go to here. We can test this again. It all depends, okay? If you break this line here, this uptrend, so if I go down a little bit now, let's go here, let's go to the, where are we? Let's go to the 30 minutes. So if I go here, this uptrend line that I put here, my God, let me close this. So this up line that I had put here, which is there already, trying to make it clear for you to see. I need to delete this and then take times. So let me take this out. So this uptrend line here, if we break that below that, and then I'm afraid we might go down around there, okay? So it all depends what that candle will tell us. So, and we are already down, let's see, for 10%. The last time we went down in Ondo, you can see very similar path here. Those three, can you see? They're very similar. This is 960%. If we go here, you will see it's very similar, 932%. And this one over here, up to there, 1054. So now, let's see if the bulls battle against the bears will win on this coin, and we're gonna have, let's say, it will close not above this candle here, but below that, like this one here. And then the next one, we want to be starting here and close above that. So we have to close above here and then above there in order for us to go back up again. I'm sure you understood what I'm trying to say. So I still believe in Ondo. As you can see here, I am holding here. I'm trading this. I'm 90%. I already rolled all the way up. I'm holding this because my entry point is very good, so I don't have much risk in leaving there, and I'm gonna ride all the way up. But guys, crypto is going, and this is absolutely amazing. Okay, One thing very important, you need to start to think about taking profit. Oh, but we're not even close yet for the peak of the cycle. Yes, but you need to have your plan in mind. You have your mind that at some point you will ride the wave up and take profit. When you take profit, don't look at the chart again. Because if the charts keep going up, you'll feel like, why did I take it? And that will make you FOMO in again, enter the market again, risking you to lose, hopefully not everything. So be careful in entering back again. If it's for your own conscience and your own feelings, for you to feel good, I would say whenever you start to get out, to exit the market, stay in the market, if you know what I mean. Take a percentage out and leave a small percentage in. Whatever that is. If it's going to be just for the moon bag, $500, $1,000, whatever. So you need to think of that in order for you to not feel that you left everything and the market's still running. I still believe there is room to grow. There is room to grow, but I want to see the index. Fear and greed index. We're high, 70, not 100 yet. Extremely greed. But we're going up. We are going up there. Altcoin season. We're not up there yet. We're not at 75 yet. We are at 49. And look at this. This is absolutely crazy. The top 100 coin performance over the last 3 months, 90 days. Pengu is absolutely exploding. Virtual AI exploding. So remember I said Pengu, Bonk, they're over here. Fartcoin must not be so far away. It's here, Fartcoin. Okay. And then we have some great projects flying, guys. Those 100 projects here, it's good to go through them one by one and check. Maybe still time to go in. A lot of potential to go up. I am predicting 10, 15 to 20x, depending on the explosion of the market. Some coins will do 5x, some coins will do 10x, some coins will do 20x, 25x, potentially. Okay, if you want to go here to my main Twitter account, that's the only one I have. You can see here that I put some potential bull case prediction from Bitcoins to D. Okay, so some of those X's are conservative, and some of them are just crazy, but is good to keep your eyes on. Yeah, I think that's it from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me here on Twitter, and very important for me, follow me on TikTok, because I just start that publish new 1-minute content there with a lot of great information. All right, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.